we are ready to add the music. So I will go to the Sounds tab. I will click on the little speaker to get into choose a sound from the library. The sound that we heard in our example was cave. So let's listen to cave to see what it sounds like. That's perfect. I will select it and click OK. Then I go back to the Scripts tab. If you notice, the sound caves only lasted a few seconds, and when we play the game, we want the sounds to play over and over, so we will need to put the sound in a forever loop. I do so by clicking on the control scripts, selecting the forever loop, dragging it into the code window, and connecting it from switch to backdrop woods 2. Then I go to the sound script and I choose play sound cave and I set it inside the forever loop. Now our code says that when the flag is clicked, it will switch to the instructions backdrop, it will wait 3 seconds, and then we will go to the gameplay backdrop and our sound will play forever. But when the game is over, when we win or lose, we want the sound to stop. So I will need to go into the control scripts and I will select a stop all and I will place it beneath the switch backdrops for the when I receive the lose or win. I'll do that for losing and winning. Perfect. Let's test how our game works. I'll press on the green flag. Uh-oh, something's wrong. I don't hear the music playing. So let's press stop and figure out what happened. Here I have a forever loop, but I don't have any waits in there. So if I look, my sound, the cave, lasts almost 8 seconds. So I will go back to the scripts tab and I will click await. And I will put it inside of my forever loop. And instead of waiting 1 second, I will make it wait 8 seconds. That way, it will play the sound cave for 8 seconds and then it will repeat forever. Let's try this again. I'll press on the green flag. Okay, so what I noticed when I was programming my game and playing it is that I press the green flag and the instructions screen comes up for 3 seconds. But the zombies and the bats start moving before the instruction screen is even gone. So I will go to my zombie sprite by clicking on his icon. I will choose under the control scripts a wait and I will put it before the forever script. I will put the wait for 3 seconds. Then I will do the same thing for Bat 2 by selecting his icon, going to the control script, selecting wait, and putting it before the forever loop, and I will change it to 3 seconds. Then I will go to Bat 3. Bat 3 already has a wait for 2 seconds, but I need to add an additional 3 seconds before it. So I change here where it says wait 2 seconds to wait 5 seconds. Now let's press play to see how it works. That's perfect. Make sure to save your progress.